As we step into November 2025, Kai Wealth provides vital insights on stock market activities, examining key factors that could influence trading dynamics. This video summarizes stock performance from late October, important economic events, historical trends, and tactical trading strategies. Let's begin by looking back at the last week of October. U.S. equities closed positively, with the S&P 500 rising 1.01% and the Nasdaq 100 gaining 2.17%. Strong earnings from tech giants like Alphabet and Amazon contributed significantly. Apple's share price rose 3.5% amid optimism over strong demand for its latest iPhone 17. However, not all tech stocks performed well. Meta Platforms saw a 12% decline due to disappointing earnings from its Reality Labs segment, while Microsoft dropped 0.95%. The consumer, cyclical, and technology sectors outperformed, largely thanks to Amazon's 10% share price surge, driven by strong financial results and a positive outlook for its AI-focused and cloud-based services. As we enter November, profit-taking is evident. Selling pressure has increased, particularly in the S&P 500, amid concerns over the Federal Reserve's next interest rate decision, slated for December. The debates surrounding potential rate cuts are creating volatility, coupled with a prolonged government shutdown adding further uncertainty. Now, what should investors watch for from November 3rd to November 7th? Key economic indicators will be released. On November 3rd, the ISM Manufacturing Index and domestic vehicle sales will provide insights into the manufacturing sector. Investors should closely monitor the ongoing government shutdown's implications for the market, as it has now lasted over 32 days, the longest in history. November 4th will bring trade balance data. A deficit of $85.5 billion is anticipated, alongside updates on factory orders, a critical gauge of manufacturing activity. The employment sector takes center stage on November 5th with the ADP employment report predicting new job growth, influencing market sentiment. The economic spotlight remains on November 7th, with the official October employment report expected to show steady job growth and wage trends. These figures can significantly impact Federal Reserve policy expectations. Historically, November has been a strong month for stock performance, often benefiting from seasonal trends. Reviewing data from 2005 to 2024, November typically sees positive returns, largely led by the consumer, discretionary, and technology sectors. However, November 2025 poses unique challenges. The absence of a federal open market committee meeting could result in increased market volatility. Moreover, trade policies with elevated tariffs generate uncertainty, impacting sectors sensitive to international trade. For traders focusing on the S&P 500, Kai Wealth recommends a cautious approach. The market remains bullish, but watch for signs of pullbacks, particularly if the index fails to maintain momentum. Key support levels are significant, as traders should be prepared to adapt their strategies. Similarly, the Nasdaq 100 is showing an overall bullish trend. Yet vigilant observation of resistance and support levels is essential for navigating potential profit-taking scenarios. This November, with many critical economic releases and updates on earnings, investors should be prepared for heightened market activity. Keeping a close eye on Fed commentary, market reactions, and sector performance will be vital for strategic positioning. To help investors making informed decisions and navigate the stock market with success, Kai Wealth provides proprietary investment research with the focus on high-growth industries. You can find more detailed analyses at www.key-wealth.com. As you prepare for the week ahead, remember to analyze data critically and remain aware of market trends that may affect your investments. For quality, in-depth research, subscribe to Kai Wealth's premium service. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates.